Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this scenario, we have a problem related to filtering data based on the existence of a specific key within a sub-dictionary. The challenge here is to find a generic solution that doesn't require mentioning every single key explicitly. Quite a common problem in scripting and automation, don't you think? Now let's delve into the solution provided earlier. By utilizing the selectattr filter on the list of dictionaries generated by dict2items, we can effectively check if a particular property in those dictionaries is defined. This allows us to dynamically filter the data based on the presence of the username key within the sub-dictionary. Clever, right? Expanding on the solution, we can further enhance our debugging process by including a simplified task that extracts and displays the usernames found in the filtered data. This additional step provides a clearer insight into the usernames present in the sub-dictionaries, making the debugging process more efficient and informative. Building upon the previous steps, we can now visualize the output generated by our debugging task. Each iteration displays the username associated with a specific key, showcasing the successful application of our filtering logic. It's like having a spotlight on the usernames within the sub-dictionaries. In summary, we've successfully tackled the problem of filtering data based on the existence of a specific key within a sub-dictionary by utilizing the selectattr filter in a debugging task. This dynamic solution not only streamlines the filtering process, but also enhances the visibility of relevant data. If you found the solution helpful, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. Until next time, happy scripting!